This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is a really easy 20-second fix for a gas stove that doesn't light or has a weak flame. We're going to pull off the burner cap on, usually the front burner has the trouble. We're going to put something sharp down into the very middle, and we're going to clear out the debris. You could use a straightened paper clip would work, or you can use anything that's kind of sharp. We're going to pull off the burner cap and just put that thing in there, twist it around, and that'll let the gas flow. So we have a nice flame on this one now. Here's the other burner. We're going to just pull the cap off, and this is called an owl. You can get one of these at Amazon, but anything sharp will work. We're going to push it down into this center hole. It's about maybe an inch down, right in the middle of the brass gas jet, and you're going to wiggle it around, and then when you put the cap back on, any kind of debris in there will be blown out, and it'll light a lot faster and also give you a stronger flame and no more clicking. So really easy to do, just take you a few seconds. You can do that for the back burners too. Hopefully that'll help you and get your stove working good. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.